guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. As you know, it's a guy here, Dante. So today, guys, I have a problem with my, what do you call it, this window. The glass is not coming out. I don't know the problem. I think it's stuck somewhere, so I'm trying to repair it since I want to go to the village and see how things are there. And a long time I've not been to the village, which it has been raining a lot, and I want to rush there. So I want to fix this. I show you guys how we see together what's the problem with it and how we can fix it, or we cannot fix it. Let's see and see. Let's wait and see. So I've opened some nuts, these small screws. Now the one is remaining is this one. I'm almost done to it. So muddy, guys, don't look. You can see how it's muddy. I was there at the village. And you have to remove this thing first so that you can remove this cover. Then, I forgot. I have to also to remove this handle. I usually do lose these things so much, so I have to be very careful. Every time I have to open this place, I must lose it. So I have to be very careful doing it. Yeah. So if you have a Landrover, you know it's very easy to repair a Landrover. If it's not a complicated thing, it's easy to repair a Landrover, and you cannot slip on the road, or you cannot it's easy to get to your destination with the Landrover, and it's easy to fix a Landrover. So if I look at this, you can see the problem where it is. It has come out of its what do you call it, railway or whatever, you see. Yeah, so here is where the issue is, and there's a screw which it has come out. So that's where the main problem is. So that's why this thing is coming out. I think I will apply maybe small spagulo here to fix it, because I don't have enough tools to fix it. So because you can see the problem is even here. If you can see, this one need to be welded here. So that's where the main problem is. This one, it's coming out. So I have to apply. I don't know if I have super glue here. Let me look on my tools and see some super glue, but I know I have it. I have one somewhere. Let me check, then we see how we can fix it. So I got a super glue. So let's see if it will work or not. Let's see. Don't try this, but yeah, I can see there is a little. So let's see if we can apply it here. Should be like that. Oh God. Let's see. Let's see if it will work or not. Hope it will work. Hope it will work. Let me see. Can you hold for me here? Hope it will work, guys, but I hope it will work. if it will work, I think I have plan B if it will not work. I think it's a little bit. Mama, yo, it's coming out. Why? You do things to me, guys. I'm a price per group because I'm in the middle of nowhere and I need to fix this thing. So guys, don't think that I'm economizing, but it's because I'm in the middle of nowhere. There's no mechanic here who can weld this for me. So that's why I'm doing this. Yeah, if it will not work, I will use this, guys. So I'll just have to use this here. I think it will work, this screw. Yeah, for those who followed this video, who do follow me, I think I give detail about this car, how it was when I bought it, how I have worked on it, and where I am right now. So there's a little bit of a history about it. I think it's sticking out. Yeah. So you can see now it looks much better. I have just rolled up the window print, but it's now up. It's working properly, it's working fine. Hope it will last for some time, a little bit. So I have to install back the cover and see now how it will turn up to be. Yeah, so let's see. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, I have to take this thing, I have to put it back right now. You see how easy it is. It's so easy to work on a Landrover than any other car. That's why for me, to be honest, for me, I do prefer old school cars because they are easy to fix. And even if you don't have that knowledge about cars, or you are professional on that, you can still fix these cars. So it's easy, as you have seen. Now I'm just installing the cover back. Just some 4 screws and then everything will be fine. 4 screws, 1 handle, and all is good. Yeah, so it's easy, it's not that complicated. It's very easy. So that one is done. You put this one back also. That one is done. So do this the bottom one. So nasty. Ah, shit. Just like that, and now the final one, which is this one. They are not original screws, so I have just modified my own screws. So they are not original screws. It's that you can see how mad this car is. I've never got stuck with this car ever since I bought it, and mostly when I visit the village, it's always muddy. But to be honest, I've never ever got stuck. Even some people, they do ask me to go and put them out where I do mix some little income out of them. Now I'm fixing the handle, fixing back the handle, so you can see. Let's go here. That one is done. Now this one is the one which is remaining. This is the one that loads the mirrors, the window mirrors up and down. Since you know that rover is a manual, everything is manual. So even loading the window up and down, you can see right now it's going up nicely. It's going up nicely without struggle like before. So I can see now it's working properly. Now this one, let's go down a bit. Yeah, just like that. Guys, we are done fixing the window mirror. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, guys. Your support is more important, and subscribing is free, liking is free, guys. So please do that. See you in the next one. You can see this how the roads look like here at the village. Now you understand why I got this 4x4 Landrover on the school. It's because of these roads. Yeah, the place looks beautiful, looks so green. As you can see, the cows are there, goats are there. So the area looks great, to be honest. Looks like it's gonna rain later on. You can see the skies. Yeah, so if someone can ask me like where is the best place to stay, I'd say it's better to stay outside town because it looks cool, looks nice, looks beautiful. The weather is fresh. You get fresh vegetables from the farms in a cheaper price. And even if you don't have a lad, you just want to rent, it's still cheaper to stay at the countryside than staying in town. The place is beautiful. For me, I do prefer that. I don't know, maybe some others, they have their own opinions. Like maybe those who would say like, I have to walk to job, I have to do this, maybe here. But this is how the place looks nice. So beautiful at the village, guys. So you can see here they have cows, goats, they're there. Even if the roads, roads are not okay. But just know where you are staying, and then you have the car who should serve you properly. Not to get a car which should make you get stuck every now and then. So this is how our village area looks like. It's beautiful, it's nice, beautiful, and nice. Okay guys, let me walk a little bit faster and take you guys to the farm to see how farm looks like, since that's what brought me to the village on this raw countryside. It's because of that, to see how the large vegetables, plants, they are doing, all of them in the farm. Yeah, so let's get there and see, guys. See you. Wow, this is how beautiful the farm looks like, guys. So beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. Looks so nice. Very, very, very beautiful. Looks Kema ito. Mwangalie mambo. Na kurimira. Wa. At least. Naona warunisha jikuta mahua. Ishibai mwari watada toi. Adi malaria. Wa. Kema ito. So this is how the place looks so nice, looks so beautiful, guys.